Here are my top picks for an electric vehicle in each category. All right, so first up, the small car, the small EV. I've gone for the GWM Aura as my top pick here. 34,990, but I'd put another £1,000 on and go for 35,990 to get the extra kilometers. For the extra 1,000, you're going to get another 110 kilometers in range, which makes it a much more practical car. And GWM have got a 7-year unlimited kilometer warranty, which that's pretty reasonable. My second choice there is really between the MG4 and the BYD Dolphin. Now, I'd probably come down on the side of the Dolphin, purely because the MG4, although it's cheaper, it's now the cheapest EV at $30,990 Australian. That is for the base model, and it's only for the month of October, after which, don't know what's going to happen to that price. So I would tend to say Dolphin is back up there, MG4 coming in a close third. What do you think? Next category, the mid-sized sedan. I've chosen here, surprisingly, not the Model 3, which would be my number 2 pick, but the BYD Seal. Now, that starts at about $50,000, which is $7,000 less than the Model 3. It's got a better warranty. It's a 6-year, 150,000 kilometre warranty, 8 years or 160,000 kilometres on the battery, whereas the Model 3's got a 4-year warranty, 80,000 on the body and 160,000 over 8 years on the battery. But I do think that the BYD Seal is the better value for money here. Surprisingly, because I used to own a Model 3, but there was no BYD Seals out then. So we've had small cars, medium sedans. Now let's go for large sedans in the EV market. We're starting to get a bit pricey here because there aren't all that many large EV sedans. There's the Genesis G80, which has got a 5-year unlimited kilometre warranty, but it's $150,000. Or you've got the BMW i7, which has also got a 5-year unlimited kilometre warranty, but that's double the price, in excess of $300,000. I don't think too many people are going to be buying these, but those would be my picks if I had the money. All right, so sedans out of the way. SUVs, small SUV. There's really only a few here, but I've gone for the MG ZS EV, which is currently on the market, the base model, for $34,990 on the road. And the reason I chose this is its 10-year unlimited kilometre warranty. Best in business, really. My second choice would be the BYD Atto 3, but the Atto 3's warranty is a little bit confuserating, if you like. But I think the MG ZS EV, if I was buying a smallish SUV, that would be the one I'd get. Medium-sized SUV is next, and no surprising here that I've chosen the Tesla Model Y. Now, I know it's only got a 4-year warranty on everything but the battery, and that's 80,000 kilometres. That is probably the worst in the business. But for 60 grand, which is only $1,000 more than the equivalent Model 3, you can't go past it. It is the reason that it is the best-selling car in the world. And it's about to become the best-selling car in America because it's only a couple behind the Toyota RAV4 there. My second pick here is the Hyundai Ioniq 5, which is a bit more expensive, about 10 grand more expensive, but it does have a 5-year unlimited kilometre warranty. And I have taken the Model 5 out, the Ioniq 5 out for a test drive. I've done both the base model and the Ioniq 5N. Both are great cars. Now let's move into the large SUV arena. And really, I think there's only one winner here, the Kia EV9. It's a 7-seater, but it does cost over $100,000, and the top of the range is over $140,000 Australian. But it does have a 7-year unlimited kilometre warranty. Kia and Hyundai both do this together. And it can tow 2.5 tonnes or 2,500 kilos, which is pretty damn reasonable. My second one here is the BMW iX, which is about 130,000 plus. And that has a 5-year unlimited kilometre warranty. So, yeah, there's not too much in the way of large SUVs that are electric, pure electric, on the market in Australia yet, but here's hoping we'll get some more. Next category, electric vans. We don't have a huge choice here. We've got a couple of smaller ones like the Kangoo from Renault and the e-Partner from Peugeot. But I think the Ford Transit or Ford e-Transit is probably my pick. Now, it is more than $100,000 for the base model. It doesn't have a huge range. You need the bigger battery version. But it does have a 5-year unlimited kilometre warranty. 8 years, 160,000 kilometre warranty on the battery. But as I said, it does need the bigger battery version because you're not going to get a huge range, because it's a Ford Transit basically. You get the high roof and the extended wheelbase. You've got a big last mile delivery van there. Then there's really not too much choice in that sort of size. There's the LDV eDeliver 9, which is about 115,000. It's got a 4-year, 160,000 kilometre warranty and an 8-year, 160,000 kilometre warranty on the battery. But for large vans, that's it. As I said, there's the Renault Kangoo, there's the Peugeot e-Partner and so on in the small vans. But if you're going to get a van for last mile delivery, you really need something that can carry a load. And my final category, EV utes, or utility vehicles or pickup trucks. Now, we don't have very many in Australia. In fact, I could really only find one that was suitable, and that's the LDV ET60, which is over $90,000. 4-year, 160,000 kilometre warranty on the vehicle, 8-year, 160,000 kilometre warranty on the battery. But yeah, maybe when we get the BYD Shark, yeah, I know it's a hybrid, but it will do 80 to 100 kilometres on battery alone because it's got almost a 30 kilowatt hour battery in it. So a lot of times you'll be able to use the BYD Shark on battery alone. And I mean, it's got your typical BYD warranty. It'll take 750 kilo load and it will tow 2.5 tons or 2,500 kilos, I do believe. So I think when that comes, and it's almost here, that will probably push the LDV ET60 out of that top spot, even though it is a hybrid. Hopefully next year we'll have a few more EV utes coming to Australia. There you have it, my pick for the best EV in each segment. As I said, I'm not constrained by advertising dollars and sponsorship and so on. So that's my honest opinion of what I would consider buying in each segment. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Which one have you got? Do you believe that I've chosen reasonably well here, or would you choose something different? It's fine to disagree. Now, while you're down there making comments, guess what? There's that like and subscribe button. Thank you very much. Clicking those really does help the channel. Now, other ways that you can help, in the description below, there's my Ko-fi link. You can either buy me a one-off Ko-fi or a monthly Ko-fi. That would be really, really good. Thank you so much for helping out. And I'll see you all very soon.